So this is how you flip a remote control. Take it by the side, then you swoop up, go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Easy peasy how to flip a remote. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and also try to make some videos of you trying to try to remote the remote controller. Maybe it's a very good exercise as it strengthens your arms. You strengthen your muscles and your grip. You see, now you have a good grip. Thanks for watching.